Hi guys, this is a math tutorial for days 24 through 28. I'll do a couple days with you today, then I'll post another video for the rest of the week tomorrow. So we're basically doing some real world activities. This is Checkbook Activity. I'm sure some of you know how to do a checkbook, maybe some of you don't, so we're just going to review that. First off, we have to review decimal operations. So when you're dealing with money, you'll have decimals. It's important to always remember to line up your decimals when you're adding or subtracting. If you have a whole number, like $10 or 10 for instance, and there's no decimal, you can add a decimal and a 00 at the end of the number. So on this page, it's basically practice. Circle the correct way to solve the problem. $5.95 minus $4.20. You have two options here. This one, the decimals are not lined up, and this one they are. This is obviously the correct way to subtract decimals. You have to line these up and then subtract. Down here you explain why the solution did not explain why the solution you did not circle is incorrect. So you would explain why this is not right. So you do that on this page. The next page, you have word problems. I'll do the first one with you. Let's see. You check out at the grocery store for $32.74 worth of stuff. You pay with a $50 bill. How much change will you receive? Show your work below. So you start out with $50. So you write 50 decimal 00. You bought $32.74 worth of stuff. So you subtract $32.74. You line up your decimals and then subtract. That's how much change you should get. So you're going to do that for the rest of this page. Just remember to line up your decimals. The next part is going over the parts of a checkbook. This is a check register. When you get your checks, you'll have a check register that you record what all the checks went for, and then you'll have your checks. On this, you'll have the date, description, that means what, who you wrote the check to. Credit is money that you get. Debit is money that you spend, and then this is your balance. So, for this one on January 1st, the starting balance was $1,250.50. This person got paid on January 2nd. That's the paycheck. So they're getting money, so they're adding it, they're putting it in the credit column. And then they're going to add it to their balance. Then on January 3rd, they went to the groceries at Grocery Mart. That's the place where they spent the money. So they spent it, so they subtract it from their balance, and this is their new balance. Then on January 3rd, they paid the electric bill, and they wrote down the check number that they wrote the check on, and it was for $313.80. So it's something they spent. It goes in the debit column. They subtract it from this to get the new balance. This is how you write a check. You put that day's date. You put who you are paying, the name of the company or the person, the amount that you're paying, and then you write out that amount in words. You write out $313.80. So you can put 80 over 100 or 80 over XX, either way. Down here you write what it's for, and down here you sign your name. So again, this page is just another review of what we just went over. It tells you what goes on every single line. The numbers down here are routing numbers and account numbers. That's not something we're going to go over right now. Now, on the next page, you're going to pay your bills. You're going to practice writing checks. So I'm going to do the first one with you. You just received a cell phone bill. Write a check to Horizon Wireless for $99.32, dated August 23rd. First, your date is August 23rd, 20. pay to the order of, you're going to pay her Verizon Wireless, so you write that here. The amount, $99.32. Then you're going to write that out. $99. I like to put a long line, and then 32. You can either put 32 over 100 or 32XX. That means 32 cents. Down here, what's it for? It's my cell phone bill. And then you sign your name here. All of this information is very important. It's important to the bank. It's important to your records. You will need to know what check you wrote into who. You can prove payment by having these checks. You can use them for your taxes. There's just a million reasons why you need to keep good records when you're writing checks. So go ahead and finish out writing these checks. And if you need help, here's a YouTube video that you can go to that will help. But I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. I will put up another video tomorrow for the rest of the packets.